it's Marina Gonzalez again, and I'm happy to say I'm finally back here on YouTube. And I also have to apologize for not being on YouTube for a very long time because I've been incredibly busy with school. I've been getting ready for college, and I officially graduated from high school this year. Very excited about that, and I can't wait to start college back in the fall. And also, the other reason why I haven't been on here for a very long time is because I was having an issue with my editing app because I had finally made my video, but it wouldn't upload to my YouTube channel, so I was having a problem with that. So I had to delete the project, and I'm restarting it in order to get this video done and ready for you guys to see on my channel. And so that's it. That's basically it. And so for today's video, I'm going to be teaching you all how to be doing a French braid, like right here on the side of your head. Yeah, and I know this braid, it's probably going to look difficult. And believe me, it was at first for me. It took me a few tries to finally get the braid right. And yeah, and your arms are probably going to get tired. It's going to feel like an arm workout. Believe me. So that's probably about it. And let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you're going to do is that you're going to part your hair off to the side like I already did, and then next you are going to take your comb and you're just going to separate out just a small section from the front of that part right there. And as you can see right there, once you have that front piece sectioned off, then next you're going to split it into 3 pieces. And you see right there, what I'm doing is I'm just taking that part I have off right there, and then I'm just going to split it into 3 little pieces. And then I'm going to go ahead and start braiding it normally like you would with a normal braid. See right there? And after I do that, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and grab a new piece of hair and just add it into the braid. So you see right there? See with my hand, I'm going right under there and I'm grabbing a new piece of hair. And you see right there with the next piece, I'm going right there under. See, I'm going right there, like right behind my ear, and I'm just grabbing another piece. Because see, just like with regular French braids, you add in new pieces of hair every time, and you're just going to continue on until you get to the end of your part right there. So you see right there, you just go under, grab a new piece, add it in, and then just continue on until you get to the end of your part right there. And the one thing that I'm also doing with the braid, as you can see with my hands, I'm kind of holding on to all 3 pieces tightly because you don't want to have any like weird loose pieces sticking out, because that can always be a pain sometimes, because it'll also look weird when you have weird pieces sticking out. So just remember to just hold on to all 3 pieces of the braid very tightly so you won't get any weird funky pieces sticking out. As you see right there, I'm just continuing to braid until I get right to the end of my part right there. And you see I'm trying to turn around and I'm trying to slow down to do my best so I can show you exactly what I am doing. So I'm like almost about there. So like once I get, so right there, that's probably going to be right where I stop right there, like right at the end of my part. So these are going to be the last few pieces I add in before I go ahead and pull it over to start braiding it normally. You see right here, this is going to be my last piece I'm going to add in. And you see right there, I'm just going ahead and continuing on to braid. So then once you feel like you have your last piece of hair in, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to gently grab the braid and I'm pulling it over, but don't pull it over too hard. See right there, I have it gently and then I just pull it over, and now next you're just going to continue to braid it normally until you get to the end. And you see right there with my hands, I'm kind of being gentle with it because, you know, if you pull too hard, you might get some weird pieces sticking out. And you see I'm kind of using my brush right there to brush out some of the tangles because I don't want to have any weird tangles in my braid. And so that's basically what you just do for the rest. Just continue on braiding normally until you get to the bottom. And then after that, we will secure it with an elastic in a few moments. As you see right there, I am trying to speed up a little bit just to be quick with the rest of the braid, you know, because you see with my hands, I'm trying to go a little fast. So I'm almost about there. And so there. So now next you're just going to take an elastic and then you are going to finish it off, tying it with the elastic. And there you have it. The braid is now complete. And there you have it. So that's how you do a French braid on the side of your head like this. And I know your arms probably got tired trying to do this, and believe me, my arms were getting really tired doing this. And I also apologize if you guys couldn't really see. I did my best to try to turn around so I could show you exactly what I was doing, and I was trying to go slow so that way you could see. And I was also trying to look into different places because I was looking into my camera, and I also have a mirror up here that I was trying to look into as well. So I apologize if you weren't able to see any of it, but I did my best to try to slow down so that way you could be able to see everything that I was doing. And so I think that's pretty much about it. So remember, this hairstyle is going to be difficult at first, but I advise you practice multiple times so that way you can be able to finally get the braid right. And don't worry, you will be able to get this braid right. And so that's pretty much about it, and I hope you all liked this video. So leave a comment below, a question, and if you like my video, give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel, and I will all see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye!